Hi there, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Peter. I'm building custom-built scale models and RC cars, just everything with wheels, for myself or for customers. In this video, I'm going to restore, or kinda restore, this Lancia Delta Integrale I had from my youth. It was never painted, so I'm decided to go for a rusty and a kind of a barn find look. First, I painted brown. After this, I'm going to sand some spots where it have to be rusty. The interior I already put together years ago, but I gave it some more details and more filled and yeah, more like a used look. And I gave the wheels a used look too. The Lancia is going to be red, so this was after one layer. And you already see where I grind the body and where I put a hole below the door, just like a rusty look. But now it was too shiny for my liking, not a real barn find. I gave the body some more detail, like black lining around the windows. And now it's time to put it back together and make it filthy and rusty. I used some brown and black panel liner to make the rust, and for the filth I'm using leather paint. So far I was really happy how it's going to be. Yes, this is exactly the look I was going for, except the wheel. And when you're still watching this video, please like, share, comment or subscribe, put on your notifications bell and watch my whole video please. Now on with the video. I used some kitty litter and a wooden plank and some fake grass to make a diorama. And I take some sand from my garden, yeah, why not, to make it more realistic. But it was a little bit boring for my liking. So I make a kind of little shed what's fallen apart over the years. Yeah, much better already. Of course I had to paint the wood. I didn't want the car to be much overgrown, because it's the centerpiece of this diorama. But yeah, I think it's already looking quite nice. Exactly what I had in mind. I made a little fence from real metal wires, and yeah, I planted some trees, because it was just too boring. I added some more details, like a cracked window, and with this, the project already is coming to an end. I want to thank you for watching this video, and when you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share or comment, put on your notifications bell, and I hope I see you the next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.